Where to sell your writing. If you want to offer writing services, there are a number of places that you can turn to sell your writing. In this article, we're going to look at some of the most effective ones. Forums. If you're writing for other internet marketers, internet marketing related forums are a great place to sell your services. Some, like the Warrior Forum, have specific sections where you can post your offer, while others simply let you add a link to your signature, which points to your main website so people can find you there. If you're active on the forum and develop relationships, this can be a great way to find writing clients. People generally prefer to deal with people they know, even if it's only virtually, than people that they have no experience with. Freelance sites. Freelance sites like elance.com and odesk.com are another place where you can find new customers. Many marketers post jobs on these sites looking for writers, and you can bid on those jobs. The sites generally keep a percentage of the job's total cost as their fee, so it will cost you to find new customers this way. But once you have a working relationship with them, you can often take the work off the freelance site so you're able to keep the full payment. Craigslist. Craigslist is another place a lot of marketers go when they look for writers. You can often find people who are looking for writers, and while these jobs are often for a one-time only project, they can extend into more work if you do a good job. You can also post your own ad offering your writing services, so Craigslist can work for you both ways. Paid content sites. There are a number of content sites, such as Associated Content and About.com, that will pay you for your content. You write articles about the topics that they're looking for, and they pay you to use it on their site, assuming the quality meets their standards and they're happy with your work. These types of jobs can be ongoing in some cases. About.com has guide and topic guide positions in which you're responsible for a certain topic on the site. This can be a great way to get your writing in front of a large audience, and you can often find writing clients through these types of sites.